Steve Clifford from Witten Brothers Mazda, and today I'm going to demonstrate the lane change assist on the 2026 Mazda CX-5. This is the Premium Plus edition that has this feature. None of the other trim levels have the lane change assist. So I have my cruise control set. Might be going a little faster, but I'm a free adult. I can do that. And cooking along here. Now the trick is to tap your turn signal. Don't hit it all the way. Just tap it like this. When you do, you're going to notice I didn't do anything on my steering wheel. It just changed lanes for me. And you saw the little indicator there as that was happening. Let me see if I can do this again. I'm going to have to slow down a bit. So as I slow down, it's not going to let me because of that car. All right, here we go. I'm going to tap the turn signal. And again, I'm putting no pressure on that steering wheel. Now, you do have to be touching the steering wheel, weirdly. And somehow it knows that you're touching it, and it'll tell you if you didn't. Anyway, that's how the lane change assist works on this car. And I got to tell you, at first, I thought it was ridiculous. I thought, you know what? I can change my own lanes. Why do I need the car to do that for me? I'm a free adult. I can do this. But you know what? It's kind of nice. It's one of those features that when you start actually using it, you realize more and more it's a cool feature. So yeah, give it a try. Mazda CX-5 with the Premium Plus and the lane change assist.